In this video, I will show you the speed test of the fingerprint sensor of the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now the whole Galaxy S26 series comes with an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, and the speed of the sensor should be equal across all the devices. But how fast is this fingerprint sensor? So in this video, we will do a speed test of the fingerprint sensor. Now I have already registered my fingerprint on this phone. Now to test it, let's go to the lock screen. Now as you can see, as I tap on the fingerprint icon over here, it will unlock my phone, which is pretty fast. Now as you can see, if I tap on the fingerprint icon more quickly, it will not be able to read it. But if I place my finger even less than a second on the sensor, it will unlock the phone. Now let's test the fingerprint sensor on always on display. Now let's turn on the always on display and let's check the speed on the always on display. As you can see, it is still pretty fast, even on the always on display. Now let's check its performance when the screen is locked. As you can see, this ultrasonic fingerprint sensor on the Galaxy S26 is pretty fast. It unlocks as you touch the fingerprint sensor, but if you touch it quickly, it will not read your fingerprint. But if you leave your finger even less than a second, it will read your fingerprint, even on the always on display and when the screen is locked. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.